Right guys, today we've got this Audi A6 S-Line 2015. The guys called us out for a DPF check. We've got a DPF fault into the sensor, it's all looking okay. We're just going to do some manual pressure checks and then go from there. We looked into the diagnostics and the live data for the sensor. The sensor at a first glance looked to be reading okay. However, when we done the manual pressure checks, we then found out that the values were reading wrong. So I imagine the pressure from the vehicle and the block DPF was sort of causing misreadings on the sensor. So we've reset the sensor. We've done pressure checks. Now the sensor's reading and matching up with the pressure. We can confirm that it is blocked. We're just flushing in to the DPF now to basically flush the solution in, break down all the soot and the ash content, and basically clean out the exhaust. So this is again Audi A6 2015, and we're just about to finish up, flush out, reset all the sensors, and then we're going to reset the DPF, go for a test drive, and just double check the readings before we go again, just to make sure that there's nothing on the system.